Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to set a Google form to public. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here at docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here, which is the home page where we can get started in the upper right corner with connecting to our accounts. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and sign up for one, and if you have one, you can just log in normally. So once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here, which is the main page where we can get started. If you do not already have a form, we can get started creating a new form. As you can see right here, we can take a look at all the recent forms we have already created right here and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can set our Google Forms to public. What we're looking for is the manage option. So if you don't already have a form, you can first go ahead and create it, clicking the plus button right here. That's going to go and enable you to connect your form. You can give it a name, description, input your questions. So I have already created my form right here. Here is my tutorial form for a video where I have a question with some answers. And now I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to take your form public so people can access it, they can give you answers and so on, so they can fill it out. Basically guys, all we need to do is just go right here in the upper right corner. You're going to click the publish button. By clicking the publish button, this is going to enable you to publish your form and make it public and live. So once you publish your form, people will be able to go ahead and access it if they have a link from which they will be able to respond to it, give you responses and so on. Fill out your form so that you'll be able to go ahead and manage their responses. So it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.